PBA game schedule, PBA game results, and PBA team standings is presented by Orient Sports PH. Here is the PBA Season 49 game results, August 28, 2024. The elimination matchup between Meralco Bolts and Terrafirma Jeep, led by Bong Quinto's 22 points and 3 rebounds. Meralco Bolts defeated the TNT Tropangiga 107-91. The Meralco Bolts improved to 2-1, while Terrafirma Jeep fall to 0-3. Like and subscribe, or else I will break your backboards. The elimination matchup between NLEX Road Warriors and Rain or Shine Elastopainters, led by Jonard Clarito's 24 points, 4 rebounds, and 5 assists. Rain or Shine Elastopainters defeated the NLEX Road Warriors 124-105. The Rain or Shine Elastopainters improved to 3-0, while NLEX Road Warriors fall to 2-1. Like and subscribe, or else I will break your backboards. Here the PBA Season 49 Governor's Cup Eliminations game schedule. Thursday, August 29, at 5 p.m. The elimination matchup between Northport Betang Pier and Converge Fiber Xers. The game will take place in Ninoy Aquino Stadium. At 7:30 p.m., the elimination matchup between TNT Tropangiga and Magnolia Hotshots. The game will take place in Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Friday, August 30, at 5 p.m., the elimination matchup between Rain or Shine Elastopainters and Phoenix Fieldmasters. The game will take place in Ninoy Aquino Stadium. At 7:30 p.m., the elimination matchup between Barangay Ginebra San Miguel and Blackwater Elite. The game will take place in Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Like and subscribe, or else I will break your backboards. Here is the PBA team standings through August 28 games. Here is the PBA playoff scenario through August 28 games.